Today is a Sunday, and Sunday is the planning day for me. So let's plan next week together in this video. If you are new here, I am Durgesh Samaria, a third year machine learning PhD student in Australia. If you are a subscriber of my channel, then you might have seen the previous videos on how I plan my journal as a PhD student. And if you haven't seen yet, then do watch my video. I will drop the link in the description box below. If you have seen my previous videos, then you might know that I love bullet journaling, and I am doing since last 3 years. I am keeping this journal as my research journal since I started my PhD. Recently I found digital journal by Paperlike, which looks great and minimal, and I am so excited to use that digital journal as my research journal for rest of the month. Just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Paperlike, nor I am associated with them. So you might be wondering why I am moving from paper journal to digital journal. So obviously paper journals are good, but a digital journal has few advantages, like it can be portable and efficient, and I can customize as per my needs. So here is the web page of Paperlike, where you will find the downloadable PDF file of journal, and even on that website they mention how to import that journal in the Notability, so you can follow that steps, and it is pretty easy. So I have imported the journal in GoodNotes, and so now you can see the main page of the cover page of our journal, so which is on the top. They have their Paperlike, and it is actually created by Anika for Paperlike. Alright, so now let's move to the first page of the journal, and on that first page they have like name. So I will write my name over here, just writing the Durgesh, the ML PhD student. So at the bottom they have like the goal page, so you can write 3 goals that you want to achieve in this year. So this year I want to finish my PhD, so I will write it over here, like just in the complete PhD. And my second goal is related to the YouTube channel, so I want to achieve like 5k subscribers. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, so it really helps me to reach my 5k goal. So on the second page they have like 2 parts. On the top they have like tracked habits, and at the bottom like they have mood legends. So on the tracked habit you can like track the habits throughout the year. So here I want to track my 4 habits, so which has like 8 glasses of water per day, and here like 1 glass is equivalent to 500 ml. The second one is wake up by 6 a.m. and the third one is to do meditation. And the fourth one is to read a book 30 minutes a day. Alright, and here I want to add extra my keys, so so the circle means tasks. The circle with the tick mark is completed task. Then circle with the line is the cancel task. Then I am using some clock symbol for my deadlines. Then star represents important notes or important tasks, and I am using M for my meetings. So if I have meeting at that specific time, I will write it as M. So I think our first page, our legend page is ready. So now let's move. So this page is like total yearly calendar. So the main benefit of digital journaling is, so you can directly go to the linked page. So now, for example, if I clicked on a June month, then it will redirect me to the June month at a glance page. So see how easy it is. All right. So now, like again, if we click on the date, it will redirect to that particular day's page. So for example, if I click it on a 15, so which is tomorrow, so it will redirect me to the 15th of June. So now you can plan your day on this particular page. So over here, like on the top, there is a space for the notes, your tasks, your schedules, and at the bottom they have like a habit tracker and your mood. So in the habit tracker, again they have like 1 to 5. So it's very easy. So you can just simply write yes and no. If you did that particular habit, then you can just write yes, otherwise no. So for example, if for number 1 I have like 8 glasses of the water per day, so if it is like, if I drank that, then it's going to be yes. So I will simply write yes over there, or if it is not done, then no. So how easy it is. So and then over here, like there is a space for my task. So let's plan the week. So on Monday I have like so I'm going to write my schedule at the bottom. So from 9 to 12 I'm going to write paper. Then 2 to 5 I have research to do for my PhD topic. Then 6 to 8 I'm going to work on like YouTube videos. So I will prepare my upcoming video. So and from 9 to 11 I will again work on my paper. So that's my schedule, and this is going to be same for whole week. And again, the another easy thing is you can just simply copy whole thing and paste it on every day's page. So I will paste on Tuesday as well and just arrange it, and then on the next page again. So that's how easy it is. And I really like this digital journal concept actually, because of many reasons. Like one of them is how easy it is. It is easy to customizable. So like for example, let me change the color of the text. So you can just simply change the color. That's red. So it's very easy actually. So let's move to the Monday again, and that's on 15th. And let me write my another tasks. So one of them is to upload my video, so which is on my like GitHub part 3. So if you haven't watched my GitHub tutorial series, then you can check the link in the description below. Then another task that I'm doing is like to work on my paper. So I'm just writing that to revise my abstract and introduction. And then at the bottom, like you can see the overall mood. So you can select any mood over here. Again, the meaning of the moods are on the legend page. So if you forget like what habit you are tracking or what the means, then you simply click on the habit tracker and it will redirect you to the first page. Again, it's all linked, so it's very easy. Go to the June and 15. So again, you are on the particular page, and the another thing is they have some small little weather icons. So whatever weather you can track the weather of the day. So I hope you guys have seen that like how minimal and easy this digital journal is, and I'm going to use this journal for rest of the month, and I will let you know my
comments and my feedback on upcoming video on my journaling. So stay tuned with that, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I will upload next video on my journaling.